Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princeton Trader, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart. And, I was laying out this morning in the chat room. We talked about this in the webcast way back when. We engaged with the middle band here for 8 sessions. And that created some compression. Bollinger Bandwidth got down to about 1.44. What we've seen now is expansion out of the compression. You've seen an upper band ride that now is in the channel between the third standard deviation upper band and the second standard deviation upper band. And, I expect that to continue. That second standard deviation upper band should act as support. Whether it has the ability to reach the upper band remains to be seen. This is probably the best day that they could touch it for 2 days in a row. I mean, the Globex high is 26.2975. Band sitting around there. It'd take a 38, 39 print to engage it. After that, you'll really see the bands expand. Now, the bands can expand and the candles can fall back inside the Bollinger Bands, and all of that can happen without price going down a lick. So you're in one of 3 situations. You're either long, and we've got a positional long on in the room from 26.01.5, or you didn't take it, which it was a hard trade to take because it was, we were testing those 97s and, during the Asia session and, holding overnight, going to bed with a position on is not fun. And, if you miss that, then you missed it. But that's a first world problem. Missed opportunities are free. That frustration is free. What you don't want to be is short, fighting it, adding, holding, and buried by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 handles or wherever you are since 25, 68, 67, 68. And I'm not talking to my subscribers because we haven't even remotely tried to fight this. I think we've tried 3 shorts in 2 weeks, and I think the worst hit we took was like a -3. The rest of the time we've been buying dips and letting this thing work, and that's what you have to do. The subscriber webinar we did yesterday after the close was all about trading with the trend. We're going to do one this coming Tuesday on trade management for everybody, so the sign-up link will be out for that. So where do we stand now? Well, the bulls are in complete control. And that's not going to change until at some point the bears can take out a prior day low. Now, absent a massive piece of news, today is not that day. Yesterday's low, if you recall, are the 97s, 97.5. So sitting up here printing 26.28.5, this is not the day where the bears are really going to get a chance to go down and deal with that low. Maybe into Thursday, maybe into Friday, that'll be the case. But today is not the day. The hourly chart, we talked about 97 support yesterday in all of these areas. We talked about it needing a big push over 26.07. Well, to say the least, we got that. And you've got, more all-time highs. This created the daily Bollinger Band expansion, continued the band ride. And, it's a situation where it begs you to, it has begged you to fight it for the majority of the week. So I'm looking for a dip to buy. They couldn't take out 23. I see the hourly mid band there at 26.25. So basically, you're looking for kind of a candidate low to get long. The bears have got to deal with some kind of resistance at a short-term level. So here's a 5-minute chart. You can see that we have been back to VWAP here and here. And don't forget, but when we had the one hiccup yesterday on the North Korea missile launch, all it did was go back and test VWAP, and then it really ramped everybody to the upside. You want to talk about catching shorts leaning? They caught them leaning there big time. So, here's another move to VWAP, back up to the proprietary moving average. If they convert that, you're going to get new highs. So the first order of business after we open up is, can they convert, say, 25? Can they convert 25? And 25 is also the mid band on the hourly. So you've got a very short-term time frame, more of an intermediate-term time frame to deal with here. If they can convert 25 to resistance, maybe we have a little bit more of a two-sided day than a lot of people, including me, are anticipating, and that's fine. I have no problem doing some shorts. So but don't anticipate that stuff. Stop sitting around thinking about, reasons why or that the market should go down today, etc. You're just going to talk yourself into something that probably isn't playing out on a chart with regard to price and risk. Okay? All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. I'll be out with a midday update. I'll be out with a wrap up. You want to trade this stuff? You want to trade this stuff without, you want to get deeper into the stuff that we come out and we talk about every day, every morning? Come on in and check us out. We would love to meet you. We'll be back with the midday update. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.